Hello there guys, and welcome to our 5th HTML tutorial for beginners. In today's tutorial we're going to go ahead and talk about HTML images. So today we're going to talk about if you have an image and you want to post an image you have into your site, into your website, or how do we do that. So that's what we're going to talk about in this tutorial. And you guys, if you haven't watched the previous HTML tutorials, you should go ahead and check those out as well. They're very informative and they'll basically teach you some of the other basics of HTML. So, and if you haven't watched all my other series of tutorials, guys, please do that as well. It's truly appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, also do that as well. And thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And don't forget to leave as many comments with requests or concerns or suggestions you have. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Let's go ahead and specify the document type here by typing doc type, and we're gonna have HTML. Okay, let's go our opening HTML tag, and let's close that with HTML. So close our tag there. So our opening tag and our ending tag there. Let's go with the body tag now, body, and let's put another tag here, and the end tag for the body. Alright, now inside here I'm gonna put a header, a heading, so I'm going to put a size 2 here, h2, and let's close that, and let's put, I'm going to label this as tutorial number 5 HTML images. Alright, let's go here. I'm going to type HTML. Alright, now let's go. So how do we so our image tag in HTML is just, we start by typing img, and then we specify the source where our image is located. In my case, I have the image called HTML, is a .png format, and I have that stored in the same folder as my HTML file. If you don't have it there, if you have it in the same folder, then you can just type the name and the extension. So you can just type the name of the file with the extension. If it's not in that particular folder, then you have to specify the exact path where it is. Alright, next I'm going to specify the width. So you can specify the width of the image, or what width you want the image to appear in the web browser. I'm going to put the exact width of my image, so I'm going to put this 256. I can get the width just by clicking and looking down here. I say 256 by 256. So I'm going to do that instead of putting a different width and a height. So I'm going to, next I'll put the height 256 as well, and then we just close it by putting a backward slash there and closing it. And let's go ahead and save this. Okay, so we have our heading here, which is HTML tutorial number 5, HTML images. And then we have our image tag. So this is how we tag images in HTML. So we start by typing img, then we specify the source where the image, basically the path of the image, where the images that we need to use, and the name of the image with the extension, and then we specify the width of the image we want to use and the height. You don't have to specify this, but this is good if you want to format it, so specify what width and height you want the image to appear on the web browser. Okay, so let's save that and let's go ahead and run it. So go to the folder and let me run here the links. So as you see here, this is my image HTML, and let's go side by side here, and we see the width. So if I go right click on the image and view image info, as you see it's 256 by 256. I do see that dimensions of the image, and we see our header here. Okay guys, this was a quick tutorial in how to basically put images in HTML, how to upload images, basically use images, and well, you can use your own images, or you can basically import images from other places, but we'll talk about how to import images from other sites later on. But this is how to put images in which the HTML tag for imaging, which is img. And So our next tutorial will be a little bit more advanced, or basically we'll talk about some other fundamentals of HTML. So if you haven't watched our previous tutorials in HTML, please guys do so, and watch all my other videos as well, all my other series of tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that as well. And thank you for watching this tutorial, and there will be a lot more coming up soon. So, and don't forget to rate guys, and leave any suggestions you have about any tutorials or any requests, and I'll be more than happy to try and basically complete those requests. And thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and we'll be back again with another tutorial. Thank you for watching.